November 5th.
But then I've got my clothes in there and it'll fall out because there's not a zipper anywhere.
12. And we're going to bonfire night. We're going to a field.
Sweet. I've got hand washing.
Yeah, a field. Well, we're going to a field at Swainby for fireworks this year. So, and also to my friends who went to Button Rugby fireworks, I apologise if I didn't go. And I hope you enjoyed that one. And also to friends on Facebook who I have, I promise I'll come next year. Well, if I do. So yeah, we're going to bonfire night at Swainby. They've got a proper bonfire there and a barbecue and some burgers. Well, so yeah, I hope you enjoy the video today.
These are awesome glow sticks.
Do you want swap red?
And you really can't see.
This one's brighter.
And at the moment you really can't see anything in the car. It's just me on the camera. Glow stick. Please enjoy the video. And yeah, I might be making cuts, and I might split this probably into I might pull the clips together in one video possibly. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video.
A coat, a hoodie.
Guys, I'm gonna go watch. Ooh, what else?
Well, we're here. It's gonna be dark outside. We've arrived. Well, you can't see at the moment, and it's gonna be a bit dark. I'm gonna be using the glow stick and a torch. I'm coming out. Yes, and we've arrived on a dark, gloomy. Where's my torch? Oh, where's my torch? Just a second. I'll be back in a minute. Oh, here's my torch. You know, it's gonna be a bit dark. It's gonna be a bit dark, so we need a torch. It's gonna be a bit dark. It's gonna be a bit dark. It's gonna be. It's gonna be dark at the moment. We need to have torches on. I'll be flashing it around as well. Yeah. I'll see you when we get up there. We're here. I'm having a burger on the barbie. On the darker. I'm having a burger on the barbie. Oh, it's just gorgeous.
Here's the burger.
Yeah, bit dark over there. It's on a farm, in case if you haven't noticed.
Bonfire's going to be lit soon.
This is lit on a bonfire. Damn. There's me Barbie. I mean, there's me burger on the.
You're gonna get it.
Yeah, I'll go get it. So much in my pocket to hand,
Not me.
Where's the boy? Bonfire's going to be.
There's me burger on the Barbie. Oh, delicious.
Has anybody got any room for these donuts?
Oh. I think. Oh, and you know what? I think probably now at this time I have got company. No, maybe now. Probably I think I've got company around me. Oh, right behind me. Well, right behind me and right in front of me. So yeah, I'll chat again once I've had this burger. And so I've got burger. A packet of crisps.
When they light the bonfire, it'll be good when they light the bonfire.
Yeah. Where is it?
Over there.
I don't know where. Where's the bonfire? Oh, somewhere. Oh. Oh. I'll see you in a bit after I have this burger. Oh. Well now, I've had my burger and crisps. And now, there's something a first for the video actually. I'm just gonna stand over here now. There's some people that you saw last year in my last year's bonfire video. A proper. What was that? I'm joking. Here's a bonfire. I'm just getting bored. I'm burning. Oh, burning. You is gonna get roasted. It's gonna get roasted. And I've been doing this for the last few years when I go to a bonfire, shining my torch around the area. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Actually, spotlight's gonna start going. I'm just throwing the spot. The spotlight's gonna go all around. The spotlight's gonna go all the way around the field. And I'm gonna ask if I could borrow my dad's torch or something. If not, well, I'm gonna get to that later. Why did I just do that? For some reason. And also I've got all this is for YouTube as well. I don't know if you can see me. Is this alright? Yeah. I'm filming all this for YouTube. Possibly. And I forgot to mention, don't go anywhere. Playmore.com. Yeah. Guy Fawkes is going to be toasted sausages by the time. I know what Fawkes going to be toasted to sausages by the time this bonfire's over. It's going to be toasted like on a barbie with burger and chips. Oh yeah, and Dale Boy's going to be coming over.
Yummy, yummy, it's Guy Fawkes for me. Yummy, yummy, it's Guy Fawkes for burger and chips.
Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna go shine a light around. We're gonna go shine the light around Bonfire. So where it seems to mention, really, I can't borrow my dad's torch. And I forgot to mention there's a disco going on right from me. He goes like, and a man at a bad happy. The sounds. You ever heard that song, Cotton Eye Joe? Oh, if there's a disco going on in the barn, what if some Scandinavian hillbillies came and started singing Cotton Eye Joe? Right? But I didn't for Cotton Eye Joe, I feel. Where'd you come from? We come from Cotton Eye Joe. Bonfire. We're gonna shine that torch. We're gonna shine this light around the bonfire. I do this every year. Oh. I don't know if you could see it. Come on, we're gonna go. This is. I've got a little job to do for me. Oh. Hello. I apologize. Alright. Alright. How's it going? You might be wondering why I've got my iPod here. I'm filming. I'm filming for you. Unless I forgot you're like if I come over, maybe I'm filming you guys, you should don't mind having a torch like this in your face. I'm alright now. Okay. I'll be coming over to maybe film you later, you should don't mind. Okay. And I forgot how was your birthday, October 25th. Was it good? We had a good time.
Yeah.
I'm still recording. Wait a minute. I'm recording. I know all Foxy's gonna be roasted by the time this bonfire's over. Really, I'm serious. Stop. Oh, I'm starving. I'm starving for that on that roast over there. Before I'll come back here in a bit, I just wanna show this. Somebody's throwing over there. I forgot to mention about this. This kid's playing Tig. There's little kids I like playing Tig. Forgot to mention, I'll show you this over here. There is a Barbie going on somewhere. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right at the back. I don't know if it's his Barbie, but it's right at the back somewhere. So, yeah. I'll be back at the front and might film the other guys. There's a disco going on. Like, oh yeah. Yeah. I'll be going. Yeah, I'll be filming the other guys soon. Eventually, I'll be. No. Oh, where's my torch? Oh, where's my torch? We're gonna. It's the 5 off. I still. Oh, I don't know where I'm going here. The bonfire's blazing away like a piece of meat. Let's shine the torch around. Yeah. Just watch this.
Tell the box.
Shine on the top. That's Millie. Oh, William. Jacob. Oh.
Well, the problem
I don't need the torch. Bonfire. Roasting away, right? It's roasting away right before my eyes. There might be some people here you know who I haven't put on my other videos. I'll soon go and search for him.
Well, not
Obviously. Well, but obviously not now. I'm going to search in a minute. Well, how where am I? Oh, I'm at the barn again. This barn. Jack, Jack. Oh, so Jack, say hi.
Alright, Jacob.
Alright. And enjoy the fireworks.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah. And I forgot one thing. How is it like being filmed onto me channel? Is it alright?
No, not really.
Well, yeah. Oh, I was asking you this earlier, wasn't I? And,
Yeah.
yeah. Before I head back out to before I head back up to my roast.
Yeah.
I think I've got more company somewhere. Yeah, I know what. I think there's more company. Well, no company behind me. Hold on. Say hi. Yeah. And also say hi. Probably don't. I'm gonna get the camera back up. The camera. I'm gonna get the camera back up. Oh, Barbie going on the back. Starving. Not really. So. Then yet again. But then yet again. So what you do now? Well, 1 minute. Just get the camera touch. Well, I'm back at my roast. If you want my, it's right here. Roasted on the bonfire. And another thing, actually, if you want some roast, just contact me on Facebook. It's right here. No, I'm joking, not really. It's blizzard. Cold. And I'm gonna go around and probably filming everyone. Oh, if they request. So, and if they also have to request this. And if they request, I'll film. Yeah. And I forgot to mention, there is a few people who I didn't get in Bonfire Night. Not Bonfire Night, Stokesy Fair, I mean, sorry. It's a few people who I didn't get at Stokesy Fair. Oh, I'm gonna catch them tonight. We'll see about that. Possibly. We'll see about that, actually. So, if you want me to film, you go see. If you want, you can do film. You say Bonfire. Oh, if you say Bonfire, I'll continue filming. Okay, I'm joking. I'm just going to continue filming. Anyway, the roast is here. You know this little clip I was saying. Hold on. I'll just go around this way. I'll just go around this way. Hi. So, and also, how has it been on my videos? I forgot to mention. Oh, good. Yeah. And I might probably gonna be filming the others later as well. And also, I forgot to mention the fair videos. And also, I think I've captured your Grace Stewart on the ride. She's just going like.
She's screaming.
Well, I did see scream.
Oh, right, she was screaming in my ear the whole way.
Well, and also, I think I got you last year. Yes, I got you last year. I just put the torch on. If you go on me videos, type in Stokesy Fair too. I mean, I've get muddled up with things now. Bonfire Night. You'll find yourself probably in the part.
Right.
The video. Yeah, hot and rub, and I might come to hot and rugby next year, possibly.
Might you? I didn't go this year. I was going to, but I didn't.
And I also forgot I was half term.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, wait, is it good?
Yeah,
That was positive.
half term. Very good half ten.
Yeah. One minute. Well, close your wait, close your eyes. No peeking. Okay, so alright. Well, I'm gonna be heading off for my roast dinner. So see you later. And I forgot and I've got roast dinner on the way now, so my roast dinner's on the way. I need some supper, you know. You know, I've been planning for supper since I don't know. Here it is. That's when I might film the other guys for YouTube. That's a girl who just saw there was someone who said my Stokesy Fair videos. I actually missed her. I've actually got her in a bit, but I've got her today. Yeah, but I've got her on this. So yeah, I'll see you when the fireworks come up, possibly.